Hello everyone out there. Glad you could make it. In this quick clip, we have this number 3240 and our goal is to get its prime factors. Let's start the solution. Now put down our 3240. Then draw a vertical line. Look at these prime numbers set on the left. Dividing 3240 by 2, which equals 1620. So 3240 divided by 2 equals 1620. Dividing 1620 by 2, which equals 810. So 1620 divided by 2 equals 810. Dividing 810 by 2, which equals 405. So 810 divided by 2 equals 405. Dividing 405 by 2, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 405 by 3, which equals 135. So 405 divided by 3 equals 135. Dividing 135 by 3, which equals 45. So 135 divided by 3 equals 45. Dividing 45 by 3, which equals 15. So 45 divided by 3 equals 15. Dividing 15 by 3, which equals 5. So 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Dividing 5 by 3, the result is not integer. Since the result is not integer, so we will try to divide by the next number. Dividing 5 by 5, which equals 1. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And we are done. The prime factors for 3240 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5, which can be written as 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 4 times 5. And these were the whole prime factors for this number. Hit like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.